I didn't think I would, like candy canes, whatever, peppermint.
'Tis the season to have candy canes.
Anything but pumpkin spice.
La 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 la.
Hey, I'm Cameron.
I'm Clint.
Today we have the new Oreo candy cane blizzard.
That's weird that they're busting this out before Christmas. What do you think is going to be the Christmas month?
That's what I was thinking.
This is like November.
I was actually hoping that they were going to bring the pumpkin pie blizzard back because I like that one with a graham cracker crust, but they didn't do it. Quick pro tip: if you want to know if we've reviewed something before, search #TMR and then whatever the product is, and it'll come up right away or not. I couldn't remember if we'd done this or not, so I searched #TMR Peppermint Candy Cane Oreo Blizzard, and a whole bunch of blizzards came up that we've done. A whole bunch of Oreo peppermint stuff that we've done, but no Oreo candy cane blizzards.
So he knew he was safe.
Yeah.
I've done that too.
This is their soft serve ice cream, big chunks of Oreos, and crushed up candy canes.
It's very pink red.
I'm just glad we have a blizzard. We haven't had one in forever.
Yeah. Very true.
Let's go ahead and try this thing out. Really crazy texture here.
Yeah.
Because you get the soft serve cold ice cream, which is nice. And you get the classic Oreo chunks. But then you get like the shards of candy cane.
What do you think of candy cane peppermint?
When I was little, I would eat just about any candy I could get my hands on. So I liked it. Now I'm not so much into it. But I like it in this.
See, I was going to say the same thing. Like, what this reminds me of is like, you go to dinner with your grandparents. The place they go to has the little red and white mints. You snag as many as you can without being noticed. Stuff them in your pockets. Eat them later. That's what this reminds me of.
Yeah. It's good. It's got like a buttermint quality to it with the candy cane in there. Now, this is kind of reaching a little bit, but it's almost like a slight salt flavor in here, with like salted candy cane Oreo. It's very faint. Okay. I might be just reaching a little bit on that one, but it happens when it might be just the sensation of crunching the candy cane shards, like when you get salt and chocolate, that's making me think of. There's something weird going on there with that. I like it though. It's good. Some kind of dinner mint. No, you're right. Some kind of after dinner mint.
I wish there was more Oreo chunks. I like the Oreo part more than the candy cane. Is it candy cane? Yeah, more than the candy cane part. Candy cane's in November?
Super weird. And November pre-Thanksgiving.
You know what that means? December is going to be gingerbread.
Oh, probably, yeah. Would you rather...
Or a sugar cookie.
Oh, okay. You're right. I could do apple pie, maybe. Apple pie blizzard.
That'd be better off. That'd be better off for this month, though.
True. This is weird. There are people, though, that love peppermint ice cream. Like
my mom.
They go crazy for it.
My mom loves it.
And
she doesn't go crazy, but she gets it.
I think if you don't want to go buy a whole carton of it to have it on the house, just eat the whole thing in 2 days. Just go get one of these and satisfy your craving for a week or so.
Join the Blizzard fan club and get several buy one get one free coupons every year.
Oh, you ate that so fast?
Did I? Oh man, now you're making me feel like a fatty in front of all these people.
I will say that the Oreo and peppermint candy cane flavors don't really go together. Like you can't get one or the other with the ice cream, but as far as like peppermint and Oreos, it's not really a meshing flavor. It's more of a contrasted flavor. But at the end of the day, it's Blizzard. I haven't had a Blizzard in a while. Yeah. I like it. I like Blizzards.
That's kind of it. They could put like mushrooms and coconut in a Blizzard. What did I say? Mushrooms and coconut?
Yeah.
They could put mushrooms and coconut in a Blizzard. I'd be like, hell yeah, give me that Blizzard. Still Blizzard. Alright, so on a scale of 1 to 37, $32 out of 37.
33 out of 37. Thanks for tuning in to the 2-Minute Reviews. Happy holidays in terms of food reviews, news, and views for yous.
Twos.